So this is Aaron reporting in with Revolution PAC and iRoots.org. I'm here at the Sine Wave, the entry to the campus of UNF, and it's been pretty cool. Got some spontaneous chalking going on. Really fun down here, and I hope you all enjoy the debate tonight, and come on down to the Blackfin for the debate watching party and the post-debate party if you have time by the time you see this YouTube video. Anyway, it's been a blast to be out here, and onward till next Tuesday with the primary results. Woo! Ron Paul, baby! Ron Paul! Woo! It's a veritable madhouse of Ron Paul support. Stay tuned.
Click here to donate to support efforts to elect Ron Paul to the White House.